Now we will find the cube of 93, which we have already found in the last examples, but this is an alternative method. So in this method, what we do is we make use of the formula a plus b cube. We already know this formula, so the solution for this is what? The first number is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now we write this 93 in the form 90 plus 3 cube and then expand it using this formula. So let's see this. We have a cube, that is 90 cube. So we have 90 cube will be 729000. Okay. Now we have 3a square b, that is 3 into 90 square into b is 3. Then we have 3ab square. So 3 into a is 90 and b square is 3 square. Okay. Plus last one is b cube. So we have 3 cube, that will be 27. Now let's expand this. 729000 plus this will be 3 3s are 9 into 8100. Okay, that is 90 square. Then here we will be having 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 multiplied by 90 plus we have 27 over here. So that will be 9 1 is 9 and 9 8s are 72. Here again 9 7s are 63 and 9 2s are 18 and 6 24 and this is 27. So we just have to add all these. So the units place is 7. Then in the tens place you have 2 plus 3 5. Then third place we have 4 plus 9 13. And here you have 0, so you have a 3 and 1 carry. Then fourth place is 2 plus 2 4 plus 9 13 and 1 14, so this 4 and 1 carry. Then fifth place is 7, here you don't have anything, 7 and this 2 and 1 carry, that is 10, and here you have 8. So this is your final answer. Now we'll take one more example. So any 2-digit numbers you can expand like this. Let's take 52 square, cube. Now here we have 50 plus 2 cube. So now what we do? 50 cube plus 3a square b, that is 3 into 50 square into 2 plus 3ab square, that is 50 into 2 square plus b cube, that is 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Okay. So now 50 square cube will be 125 and 3 zeros. Then here you have 3 2s are 6 and you have into 6 plus you have 2 2s are 4 3s are 12 into 50 plus 8. So 125000 plus 6 5s are 30, 3 6 2s are 12, 15. So you have 15,000 here. Then 12 5s are 60, so you have 600 here. Now units place will be 8. Then the tens place is 0. In thousands place you have 6 and nothing over here. Then 10,000 you have, hundreds place was 6, thousands place you have 5 and 5, 10. Then 1 carry, then 1 2 3 and 4 and this 1. So this is your final answer.